He's such a happy fellow. He's a bouncy fellow, isn't he? Look how jiggly he is. Woohoo. That's amazing. That is amazing. Look at it. Hi guys. So I have a very exciting video today. I can't wait to share this with you guys. I have the Ninja Turtle goodies. I did place an order for them when they came out. Was it Monday? But they've not yet been dispatched. So I got this through the post and I'm like, yay! So I've got them for you to share with you guys, which I'm really excited about because I thought I won't get them for blooming ages and I won't be able to share them with you guys, but we have them. Yay, so exciting. So let's open it up. It's come in the same kind of box that the kitchen box was in, but it's a slight bit bigger. So I'm intrigued to see what we've got in here. Rudy's very excited too. Pretty box, isn't it? Let's have a look what we got that you can hold. Oh God, I'm such a lucky ducky. Aren't we lucky? So, sorry, I've got it on cinematic again. It's come in the same box, same sort of thing. And we've got the card that came in the kitchen box as well. This one's in English. Yay! Heroes and a half shout, more pizza, less plastic. Cowabunga, dude. This summer, Lush has teamed up with the iconic Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles to deliver less plastic and more, brackets vegan, pizza with exclusive range of turtly awesome, sorry, that made me giggle, turtly awesome products for the bath, shower, body and hair. Cool mutant powers not included. Please love and pizza, Lush times TMNT. That was a mouthful. Let's have a look. Oh, I can see a bath bomb already. How exciting. So the bath bomb, I have got the blue one. I've got Leonardo. So I had Donatello in the kitchen box and then I have Leonardo here. I have tried this one out already. I've got a demo of it on my shorts. I'll link it below. It's beautiful, so stunning. The soap I had inside mine was the Party Wagon. In here is, I think it's a manhole cover in this one, if I remember correctly. But this is Ave Bar scented. So strong, so citrus, fresh, gorgeous. It's just a really lovely scent. You can't go wrong with that, really, I don't think. He's such a happy fellow. I love it. It's the shower jelly. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. From what I've seen of other people's videos, this looks creepy but cool, and he looks really gooey as well. So that's what he looked. Oh my god, that was close. Oh wow, he's a bouncy fellow, isn't he? Look how jiggly he is. Woohoo. I'll get him out when I figured out how I can do it with Rudy here, because it's just hard. Oh, this is apparently conga scented. I actually haven't smelled conga before. That's bloody delicious. I do this every video, but I swear this smells like something else other than conga. I can't think what it is, like a bath bomb or something. That is beautiful. That's like a really, really fruity but berry-like scent. So, so sweet. That's really, really good. Really, really good. I lost for words. How am I going to show the peeps this with you there? I don't know. I'm so scared. This one looks like, with the shower jellies, obviously, wow, they're jelly-like, but this one just seems extra jelly-like. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it's a creepy little brain. That is him. That is Crang. He is hilarious. Look. He's so funny. He's got tentacles and everything. There he is. He's a creepy little brain. We love it. This tin that it comes in is absolutely precious. I love it. That is a defo keepsake once you've used it. Yeah, so it is called Crang Shower Jelly. You've got an awesome cartoon label on the front. Look how cool that is. So in this, we've got Irish moss infusion, carrageenan extract, perfume, titanium dioxide, bergamot oil, davana oil, almond essential oil, vanilla absolute. Got a lot in there. It really does smell stunning. I can't wait to try this one out. I'm gonna have a night tonight of trying to film all the products because I'm really behind. It's just, I don't get much time at all to do anything for myself recently. So I'm gonna try and film it tonight. I'm gonna get him into bed, and then he actually stayed in his own room last night, which was amazing. So I'm hoping he'll do that again tonight. But I don't want to be loud because the bathroom's next to his bedroom. So I'm just like, I'll give it a go. I'm gonna try and film some stuff, hopefully. So I'll hopefully try that one out tonight. So it should There should be a short of it very, very soon. Next up that I can see sticking out is the Turtle Power Body Butter. So this is an exfoliant and a like moisturising body butter all in one. This is sultana scented. You've got quite a good chunk here. It's melting in my hands already. I'm so excited to try this. It looks so, so fun. So it's purple and it says Turtle Power on it. That is going to be amazing. I can feel the grittiness to it already, which is very nice. I don't have a slip with the naked stuff on here, so I can't actually tell you what's in that at the moment, but I can pop some of the ingredients up here for you guys if you want to know what's in that. But it is just sultana scented, so it will have a lot of the same ingredients as sultana. But that smells really lovely, so fresh. Sultana is just a really fresh, nice, clean smelling scent, is what I think personally. What else have we got? I can see the pizza. That's amazing. That is amazing. So we've got the little slice of pizza. This is so cute. So from what I remember, it's a bath bomb. Then this is a melt. So I'll add moisture to the bath. And then this is little pepperonis, a soap. Can you believe it? Ooh. This is a new scent apparently. To be honest, I find that smells quite similar to Ave Bath, the bath bomb. Perhaps they are similar, perhaps they've been rolling around in the box together a bit too long, I don't know. It is hard, oh I can smell the turmeric latte actually. So this is a new scent. This oil is meant to be turmeric latte scented, I believe. And it does smell like it. And I'm not sure about the soap, I don't know if that's meant to be a different scent, I really don't know, but it all smells very good and it all works really well together. Look at it. I've seen in store a lot of the places have pizza boxes and all of these little slices in the box and they look so cute. I really wish I could get a pizza box, that'd be amazing. I don't know if you can buy them. Can you buy them in store? Because it seemed like one video I watched they had loads there as if you could buy them. But obviously they're not online or anything, but we've got a little pizza slice. Oh yes! Next up we've got Green Machine Bubble Bar. Wowza. Looks like this. Yeah, you like them? So this looks like it's a little end piece. I've never had an end piece before, but they are like a flat, it's like they're like a comforter looking bubble bar, that swirly pattern, but mine looks like an end. How cool. Oh wow, that's very nice, very interesting. There's a lot going on in there. I wish I had the ingredient list, I'm sorry. I always open the box with you, so I never know what's in it. So I would have prepared if I'd opened it previous, but I haven't, so I haven't. But I'll pop some ingredients here for you guys if you want to know as well. That's really nice. That's very green. I believe it is called, what did I say it's called? Green Machine Bubble Bar, I'm pretty sure it is. And it's Go Green scented. I will confirm here for you. But that is very nice. A really fresh, green, earthy scent. Got a lot of layers that. It's nice though, really nice. Love it. Last up, we've got the Shampoo Bar. This is, I don't know what this is called. This is called, I'm not sure. I'll pop the name on the screen for you though. So it says Lush on the front. It's a little purple one. And then it's got the little stick in the back that says Turtles times Lush. How cute is that? Yeah, this is meant to be Smuggler's Soul scented. But last I used Smuggler's Soul, I used the body lotion. I hate it. I think I've still got some left somewhere that I couldn't bring myself to use. I think I gave it to my partner. It might be in his drawer. But that's not bad. Maybe it's they have to use some different ingredients in it and it makes it smell. Well, a lot of people like Smuggler's Soul. It's just not for me. It's very smoky. But that's not bad at all. I don't mind that. So I'll pop the ingredients for this around here as well. Obviously, because it's all naked, isn't it? Apart from this one, which I could read out for you guys. But I'll pop the ingredients on the screen for you so you can check them out. And yeah, how blooming exciting is that? So that is everything in the collection, bar I think there's some washcloths you can get as well. I did pop those in my order, but I'll probably, because I've got all this stuff now, I'll cancel my order and just order the washcloths, I think. So exciting. I'm so grateful I got this. So stay tuned. There'll be shorts on all this. I'm going to try and film all of this tonight. And I also have some kitchen box stuff to film as well. But fingers crossed we can do it all. Barry will just have to be on daddy duty and sort Rudy out if he cries. So do let me know what you guys are getting from the collection and what you're not getting, what you're not so keen on either. But yeah, I'm really excited to share this with you. I'm so excited I've got all this. I'm so grateful. But yeah, we're going to go now because Grizzly Bum here is very grizzly. We've had a really weird morning. He woke up, because he went and stayed in his own room. He woke up about 6 o'clock. I bring him in bed with me. We tried to have a little snooze, but he didn't really. We got up earlier than usual. Had to give him a bottle instead of breakfast. It's just all over the place. And now he's not napped, so he's very grizzly. But anywho, we're gonna go now. Leave me a comment. Like I said, I love chatting to you guys. It's so fun. Give the video a thumbs up as well. That'd be fabulous. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.